if you know me, you must be knowing I have already got this product on discount. So you should also look for one whenever you're buying any product to save some extra money. Yes, you can always grab all of these products in discount, and I won't say that I have got it in discount. You must be knowing that by now. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time you're seeing my face, hi, my name is Ipshita. I make beauty, makeup, skincare as well as nail art tutorials and cooking videos in this channel, and today I'm here in front of you guys with my top 5 summer skincare recommendation, especially for combination to oily, acne prone skin type. So if this sounds interesting, keep on watching, and after you're done watching this video guys, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel by hitting on the red subscribe button which you'll find down below, and make that button gray, and there will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell, select all, so that you will get all the notifications every time I upload a video like this. And also you can let me know in the comments down below what are your thoughts about this video or about my channel in general, or if you have any future video suggestion that you want to make for you guys, please go ahead and mention that in the comment section. And also you can follow me in my other social media accounts as well. I'll leave all the links of those down below in the bottom bar. Check me over there and also follow me over there to show some love. So yes, without any further ado, let's start with the recommendations. So all the products that I'm going to mention in this video will be under rupees 500, so that you guys can easily go ahead and purchase this for yourself for this summer. So talking about my very first product and my very first recommendation is this one. This is the Kaya Acne Free Purifying Cleanser with Salicylic Acid for oily and combination skin, and it retails for 380 rupees for 100 ml of this product. So I think which is a decent price point, because I have been using this product up. I know you have not been able to see how much I have used it. I think it's just this much is left off, and I have used it for past few months now. And talking about my skin type, you already must be knowing I have combination skin which is acne prone nowadays. I don't know why. So I have been using this one because this has salicylic acid in it, and which is a very good ingredient if you are dealing with acne and acne scarring, and that's the reason I have chosen this one. And I have actually used the whole range, whole acne free range from Kaya itself, and I have actually reviewed it for you guys. And if you want to see the detailed review of that, what I'll do is I'll leave a link of that down below in the bottom bar, also in the I icon. So after you're done watching this video, you can actually head over there and watch the detailed review if you want to. So yes, this is my first recommendation, and I think for 380 rupees you are actually getting a very good product, because I think skincare is an investment, and you should actually also look for sales and discounts on the online sites, because nowadays it's really easy to get something like this on sale. And I think I also got it on sale. It was, I think, hot pink sale from Nykaa. And what I'll do is I'll try to leave the places where you can easily get these products from down below in the bottom bar, so don't forget to check that out. So let's come to my second recommendation for today. It is from the House of Plum. You must be guessing it, because Plum is one of my favorite skincare Indian brand. And so the product is Plum Green Tea Revitalizing Face Mist, and it retails for 360 rupees for I think 100 ml of product, which is a very decent price point. And as if you know me, you must be knowing I have already got this product on discount, so you should also look for one whenever you're buying any product to save some extra money. And yes, talking about this product, I do recommend this to all of you guys. Doesn't matter if you don't even have oily or combination skin, if you have dry skin, for summer days guys, you need something like this. You just need to spritz it on and you will feel refreshed, and that's the feeling I think every one of us is looking for. Doesn't matter, and irrespective of whatever skin type we have. And this is something which does not leave any cast or any residue on your face. It just makes you feel refreshed and energized in a hot summer day. I think that's what it is meant for. And also it has green tea, so a skin like mine which is acne prone, It is actually a really good one. So I do recommend this one, guys. I'll leave all the links down below in the bottom bar. Check that out. Now let's come to my third recommendation for today. It is from the House of Pond's. It is their Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer for non-sticky glowing skin with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So I am almost done with this one, and this is a huge tub. I'll tell you, it's 147 gram of product you're getting for only 299 rupees, I think, which is a steal. And yes, you can always grab all of these products in discount. I'll stop myself from saying the same thing over and over again now, because I think this is the third time I'm telling it to you, but this is the fact, guys. I have got all these products up even on further discounted prices. So that's the reason I wanted to just mention it to you guys. And yes, talking about this product, I do recommend this one as a summer moisturizer. If you don't have very dry skin, I am really not sure, because my skin is combination type and it has worked beautifully on my skin, and it has lasted me 2 summers actually, because this is the second summer and I have actually got it last year on last year's summer days, and throughout the summer of 2020 I have used it up, and now I think I'm about to finish it up, and which is I'm really happy about. So yeah, you guys can actually grab this one. I think they actually offered this product in smaller variant, smaller sizes as well. So if you're not sure, anyway, it's not a very pricey product, but still, if you're not sure, you can grab the smaller tub and try it out, and then if you like it, invest in the bigger one. So now let's come to my fourth recommendation. This is from the House of Nivea. It is their hand cream in the variant Refreshing, which is their glycerin and aloe vera for dry skin. Okay, now talking about this product, I have actually almost finished this up. I don't know if you can see it, but yes, I think I have shown you guys this product in one of my Nykaa hauls. If you have missed that video out, what I'll do is I'll leave the link of that video down below in the bottom bar as well as in the eye icon. So after you're done watching this video, if you're interested to watch that video, make sure you head over there and watch that video next. And yes, so talking about this product, it actually retails for 90 rupees, just 90 rupees, and for 75 ml of product. And I won't say that I have got it in discount. You must be knowing that by now. Anyways, so talking about this product, is actually really pretty cheap, but it delivers the result. So I know summertime is not actually meant to use, we are not meant to use hand cream, but thanks to the pandemic situation, by washing our hand I don't know how many times a day, and by using sanitizer again and again, our hands are becoming like they are taking the toll. It's taking a toll on them. So to keep our hands moisturized and keep them nourished and supple, this is the product I use, and I do recommend it to all of you guys. You guys can really try it out. And they have few other variants as well. I think with one with bee sweats in it, that one is also really nice. So my fifth and the last recommendation for this video is this one. I know it's a different kind of product. It's not actually skincare as per se, but this is from the House of Rexona. It is their powder dry underarm odor protection, which is 48 hours sweat guard antiperspirant. So this is how the product looks, and it says safe on skin with a additional sticker over here. And I'll tell you the pricing. It retails for 125 rupees only for 50 ml of product, and I have been using this product up for quite a long time now, and especially for this summertime I do recommend this one, because this is really cheap. If you compare it with its brothers and sister coming from different brands, I think it's one of the cheapest one available in the market. Talking about roll-on deo, which is actually from a reputed brand. So I do recommend this one. It does what is meant for. It keeps the body odor at bay, because in summertime all of us tend to sweat a lot more than we do throughout the year. So this actually helps. If you apply it as a roll-on deo and then spray the perfume that you want to apply and wear throughout the day, it actually helps out to keep, if you're someone who sweats a lot, so you should actually go ahead and grab this one up. So this is my last recommendation for today. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end. I really appreciate that, and I really hope you have found this video helpful and informative. And if you actually enjoyed watching this video, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel by hitting on the red subscribe button which is down below, and make that button grey, and there will be a bell icon right next to subscribe button. Click on the bell, select all, so that you will get all the notifications every time I upload a video like this. And also you give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family to spread the word. And you can follow me in my other social media accounts. I'll leave all the links down below in the bottom bar. You can head over there, check me out over there, and follow me over there as well to support me. And also, if you have any future video suggestion for me, you can mention that down below in the comment section. I would love to make that video for you. And also, if you have any feedback that you want to share with me about this video or about my channel in general, mention that in the comment section down below. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you all stay safe, take care, bye bye. Mwah.